How to make no one can do it with your videos on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can do it with your videos on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now click profile and click the storylines in the top corner and then settings and privacy, and here you will find privacy. Click on it and then scroll down until you find Duet. Click on it and here you will find only me. Just click on it, and as you see here, no one can do it with my videos, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.